Hey everyone, welcome back to Impeccable Image Detailing. I'm Caleb, and today I have this 2008 Porsche Cayman S, and as you saw from the footage, this thing is absolutely hammered. It's riddled with swirl marks, scratches, and hard water spots, and I'm going to completely transform this for the owner. I did take some paint measurements, and the paint is thin, so we're going to err on the side of caution. The goal of this is paint preservation, not paint perfection. So I'm probably going to achieve anywhere between 50 to 60% improvement in the paint, and then I'm going to ceramic coat this for the owner to make maintenance and cleaning much easier. But stay tuned. This is going to be a lot of work, but I can't wait for you to see the results. All right, everyone, that's a wrap. And as you can see, this vehicle was a ton of work, but the results are absolutely breathtaking. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss upcoming content. I'll catch you on the next one.